Now that Hanukkah is over, it's safe to talk about other holiday decorating, and while all you guys have been at the Christmas tree lot, I was just driving in my car in LA and I crossed Mulholland and I came across this beautiful tumbleweed. I texted my husband, I was like, this tumbleweed is full of potential. A lot of my friends who don't live in LA don't realize that there are tumbleweeds everywhere, and you can just be driving your car minding your own business and you get a tumbleweed stuck under there. Since everyone is talking about like holiday decorating on a budget and cheap centerpieces, I wanted to talk to you about this tumbleweed as maybe a Christmas tree replacement, or more likely something that can be an outdoor centerpiece or sort of objet that you can decorate like you might do a Christmas tree. And I took the liberty of stopping at the Dollar Tree on the way home. So I'm parked next door to the Dollar Tree. I've got the tumbleweed in the back. I picked up a few simple ornaments that you may already have. I have a few strands of fairy lights that I'm repurposing, and I wanted to just decorate this super quickly to show that for under $5 we can have a really unusual sculptural and kind of boho chic or bobo object on our patio. This will come as no surprise because it's fire season. Something like this is extremely flammable, so you don't want to use any hot electricity or any type of candles around it. I've gotten out these little LED fairy lights. You can get packs of these at the Dollar Tree or at the drugstore, and I am just gonna lightly and loosely decorate with them. I also have LED votive candles that will give the effect of candles if you wanted to do a table setting. Here we go. So I'm just gonna ring around it. I'm using them on so I can see how full or well lit it looks. If you were going for a real minimalist look, this could be enough. I've weighted the tumbleweed. I had some little terracotta pot pieces that I stuck inside at the base, or you could gently tie this to like a small piece of wood just so it doesn't tumble or blow away. Next, I'm gonna get a few simple ornaments. So I picked up one tube of ornaments from the Dollar Tree. These come with a very small string, but just in case I picked up a 50-cent package of ornament hooks to use. I'm gonna be brave and take off my gloves now. Even if the weather is cold where you are, this is something that you could decorate and put out on your porch, on your patio. I have decorated my tumbleweed and I hope you like the look. I feel like it's a very natural, chic option. There are so many decorations that you see out there that are synthetic or not biodegradable, and this is a really eco-friendly choice. If you don't live in the West, you might find a sculptural tree branch, a piece of driftwood, whatever it is. I hope that you like this idea for a natural repurposing of very inexpensive holiday decorations. We're planting ornamental cabbages in the yard, planting our chia pets for our holiday party. We just made pine cone bird feeders with peanut butter and bird seed, and all of these things can go into the green bin or the composter once they're done. I love how this looks, so thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to see more content like this, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Take care and happy holidays.